Okay, Mariwan.
Okay.
Okay, Maduro's so very nice. I love you, man. America, John. Okay,
Yes.
man.
Okay,
Bye,
man.
bye, one studio.
Take
Have a
care.
nice day.
You too.
As for today, so I'm going to that waterfall area. There's a long river that follows through Side as well. I'm gonna try and get some drone visuals of that. Yeah, I like to believe my outfit actually slaps today. So I got like my Naruto t-shirt on. Obviously my Himalayan mantra chakra necklace, bucket hat, and then my dark glasses, which I'm gonna put on just so you can see what it looks like. The thing about traveling, solo, there's never anybody who could take any photos of you, so you just got to appreciate yourself sometimes. It's crazy, man. So basically, this is what it looks like during the day. I don't think I showed that perspective yet. So you got the different blocks here. You got the pool area, a restaurant and bar, and basically, so I'm just gonna head down to that bus station place now to see what the prices are and get some breakfast as well. So yeah, beautiful sunny morning today, and it's gonna be a busy day for us today, man. So I'm gonna try and get a few photos too, because I feel I never get no photos of myself. So I'm gonna ask a few people to get some photos of me. Look at this dog. Hello, doggy. Hi. But yeah, it's beautiful and sunny today, man. We're still out here walking, still on that Miami Vice City road, and we're literally just about approaching that place. Don't know if you can see it, probably not. It's called Manavgat. So that's where we're going. Check out the bus station, see the bus fares, and they got some building going on over there. Looks like they're building something there. Don't know what, but they got construction work, so this is what they do out in the early morning. It's not too hot, it's kind of cool today actually, so yeah, so I'll catch you back over there. Alright guys, so I'm still on my way to Manavgat. I'm walking it, of course, so I've walked like halfway down the motorway, and then I've just asked the people working at this company, this one here, for directions, and they've just showed me I could go this way now as it's safer. So thanks a lot guys for showing me the way. I know English wasn't your first language, but you tried your hardest and I understood, so thanks a lot for that. And we're on the move again, so it's like an hour and 30 minutes walk, but I've pretty much done it in 30 minutes because I'm almost there. So yeah, I'll check in when I'm there. Alright, so now we just arrived in that Manavgat place, and it's basically a more like modern town, as you can see by the way it's decorated. Like, I'm starting to see a lot more youth around there too, and yeah man, so I'm just gonna walk around, see what it's saying. I need to get some food, so I'm gonna try some of the western shops here, see what they got, like the McDonald's and the KFC. So I can see a McDonald's advert over there already. So first place I'm gonna go though is the mosque, because I want to see what it looks like. Get like some videos behind me. Yeah, get like some video of it as well, and then I'm gonna check out that waterfall place. But yeah man, as you can see, this is more like a city place. It's not like a seaside place, it's more like a town. So welcome to Manavgat, man. Alright, so they got this nice yellow bridge, and then the water looks beautiful here, man. I'm definitely getting some drone shots here, but essentially I'm just walking towards like that mosque I was talking about. So you can see they got the nice green water here, and then a river running through all the way around here, and then on this side too. It's not as shiny on this side though, but this is literally Manavgat town centre area. They've actually got a mosque here as well, but I don't think that's one of the famous ones. So, but this is beautiful, man. So if I'm being totally honest,
I don't have a clue what this says, but I reckon it's something good to show. Let me see if I can move out the direction of the sun. So you got a man standing in the middle, and another man holding a Turkish flag. So I guess this is some sort of revolutionary movement. And then you can see the guy here, basically just planking the flag into the ground. And there's some information actually in English as well. It says this guy was born in Salonika. He concluded the national independence war against imperialism under the title of the President of Assembly and Commander-in-Chief. In an attempt to elevate to the level of a contemporary civilization, he made his mark in history through his reforms. So he's the first founder and president of the Republic, leader of independent, contemporary, democratic and secular Republic of Turkey. And he died on 10th of November 1938. So I'm guessing he's a very important, let's say, political figure here. And then it's the same thing just in Turkish over here. So I kind of have like a directional plan now of like the 4 or 5 places that I'm gonna check out. So I'm gonna start getting to the small waterfall. I reckon let's go to the big waterfall after that. Actually, move this one up. It's closer. Then the bazaar, then the central mosque, and then the bus station to check the prices. Makes more sense. Yeah. So let's go. Basically, what you've seen before, yeah. Obviously, I wasn't filming because I was on my phone, but there was this guy just bothering me.
Oh, my friend.
How you doing, man? Okay.
English, Dutch.
Yeah. Do you want to say hello?
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
I'm from Italiano.
Yeah.
Yes.
What? Yeah. Okay. See you later. Yeah.
Excuse me. But here, not stad. Here, stad.
You have a shop.
Shop?
Yeah.
But
You.
Not shop. Shop here. Shopping.
I want to go to the waterfall.
I want to go here.
Okay. This
How
way.
about this bus?
Okay.
This here bus.
Can I walk?
Yeah, here is bus.
Okay. I want to walk though.
No problem. How about this? Oh, 5 kilometers.
That's okay. That's
No
fine.
problem.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So yeah, man, we're really walking around the neighborhoods right now. It's one of them ones like where people don't even acknowledge you as much. Like I was waving at a few people that aired me, and you get like some groups of guys. But obviously, this is the neighborhoods, isn't it? It's not tourist areas no more. But you know, everybody's like surprised when I say I'm walking places. I guess everybody's got like a culture of just catching buses and stuff, but I like to walk around because you see more, you know, every time like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 5 kilometer, catch a bus, but yeah, no, it's fine. I like to walk, man. Like we live in a world that people don't walk no more. Everything's like transport, but you got legs, so you might as well use them, you know. That's the way I see it, especially when you're on holiday. Can't be catching bus and taxi everywhere, man. Spend a fortune. Even though the buses are like only 80p, still, I'd rather walk most times. See people, get, you know, raw content, chat to people. So as the guy was telling me yesterday, the other part where I was at Side, it's not as serious when it comes to like the religion. I feel like this part I'm in now is because it's different vibe. Sometimes you see women and they start throwing on their headscarf and everything when they see you. So it's different. But I'm just walking towards the waterfall. It's like 5 minutes now. And I got this little thing. Never seen this before, but this is beautiful. Alright, here we are, guys. Just walked down here. So this is like the small waterfall area. They got a bigger one too. As it says, no swimming, no boating, no wading, whatever that is. And some people are just sitting here appreciating it. This is like the small waterfall area. I know they got a bigger one. I'm gonna walk down the hill, go to that part as well. I didn't realise it's recording, but yeah. So that's it, man. That's the small waterfall. I'm probably gonna go to the bigger one now, which is like a 10-minute walk from here. That drone footage was sick. I know you're gonna think the same when you see it. So let's keep it stepping anyways. Palestine. So I'm guessing that was a Palestine parade. Yeah, that's a Palestine parade going past right now. See, they've got all the cars still going past. What's the timing? Great timing on that, right? So it's been long getting here, but here I am. 30 lira entrance fee. And we're here, man, so let's see what it's saying. I'm probably not going to eat here. I'll eat back at the actual place, but let's head to the falls now. Oh, they actually got marketplace here and everything too. Wow. Oh, so this is what they got, like little carved fishes here, and then the actual waterfall area is around here. Wow. So it was definitely worth coming up and seeing this. This is where the actual waterfall starts. So this is a proper waterfall. Before, it was just like a little, it was further down, so this is what it actually looks like here. Alright, my people, we're back in the town now. We just came from the waterfall. It's like peak time now, so it's packed with people. We're gonna go into the Grand Central Mosque and then the bazaar. So obviously everyone's finished work, everyone's outside now. You know, I'm gonna try and get some more interactions and engagement from people. So we'll see. Alright guys, so this is the market area. Let's have a look inside. Surak. In Morocco they call it the souk, and here it's called the Surak, I guess. But it seems quiet today though, nothing really going on, so you know, it's got a few different shops. Got that custom roof area. Yeah, maybe it's shut today, I think, or maybe it's just not the season for it, I don't know. For a place where tattoos are haram, yeah, there's a million tattoo shops around. You know, literally loads. So they got a few clothing stores here. That's expected. And that's it, man. To be honest, it looks closed, so I might just step to the next spot. My bad, I was in the wrong place. This is actually the bazaar market area where they got, you know, so this is where they got all the clothes, replicas, things like that. It's quite a big market. Obviously I'm just coming to look around. Who knows, I might buy something, but that's the last thing I want to see is the mosque before I leave here and go back to Sydney. So, but this is the bazaar. So if you ever come in looking for clothes, garms, you know, man, them, I know how it gets. You can come around here. Souvenirs, girls. There you go. Jewelry, seat cases. So it just goes all the way through, really. Got watches in this one. I might come back and check that, but I want to be filming because some people get upset because obviously there's counterfeit goods in it. So then you got all this football team tops and things up here too. Wow. And then bags, designer, regular, satchel bags. Yeah, literally got a bit of everything, really. So if this is your kind of scene, this is where you gotta come. Like, you could get some stuff here and resell it, to be fair. That's what I would do if I actually bought something. So it's quiet at this time, so I reckon it's gonna shut soon. but it literally goes all the way through, as you can see, and it's just the same thing. So I'm not gonna film the whole way. You get the gist of things. So this alley I was walking down, right? They had a shop with all kind of scimitars and samurai swords and knives and things. I thought I was gonna go inside to film it, but then there was a bunch of youths outside with a flick knife, and they're literally flicking it out, like showing the knife in it. So I was thinking to myself, yeah, let me not go in the shop, get cornered where there's no cameras, and get robbed for my shit in it. So I was like, fuck this. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not losing my shit today. I film too much.
Manavgat Centrum, you wanna like? I don't even the season wanna finish, you wanna? I wanna like the 6 or the 5 on the I love the no season you want to make that. This Manavgat you wanna die. But now today don't want again, not now you want, right? Okay, everyone. Okay, my dear, so very nice. I love you, man. America, John. Okay,
Yes.
man.
Okay,
bye,
man.
bye, once.
Take
Very
care.
nice day.
You too. Yeah. We literally just made it to the Kami, which is like the big mosque you can see over there in the distance. I'm gonna fly my drone over there, so I'll just put drone footage and speak on top of it, really, as it will do it more justice. So yeah.